Hello, my beautiful friends. So, the current situation looks like we fight against each other and see the differences instead of what brings us together, what connects us as one race, as in humanity. And I want to talk about today about the power, how we can connect to each other, and what is the potential behind of it, because now we are in a time where we separate ourselves. We are in a time where everyone is doing his own stuff in the garden, where every property is fenced, and we are not meant to separate us because we are all together. And everyone knows it. The current situation looks like, especially in the pandemic, everyone is doing his own thing, going his way, have his mask, don't touch me, don't talk to me. I have my property, you are not allowed to go on my property. When I need something, I pay someone that he can do my stuff, and I don't have to connect to other people because my money and my situation is built so I can live without communion. And it all has a purpose. It all has a purpose for dividing us. And it's not in human nature to always fight against each other. That has been told to us. We have to fight to survive. We have to fight against each other. We have to take from different people to survive. It's all in lack mentality. It's like the world and myself is not enough, so I have to take, and I have to hoard everything I have, and I have to fight against what I have here. But there's so much fear in it. There's so much lack in it. And there are so many ways how we have been divided. And all these different labels humans have been put in. You're black, you're white, you're poor, you're rich. Also, you like this football club or that football club. You drink alcohol. I don't drink alcohol. I eat meat. I'm vegan. All this stuff, all this stuff. I'm from Europe. I'm from this place. I have this accent, or it's everything, or I'm young and you're old. That's all labels. That's all boxes we put people in, so we can judge them. And that's only in our mind. That's only a concept that is framing stuff. And then I say, I feel safe because I maybe stuff that I don't know, all of a sudden I feel safe because I can like put it in a certain box. I can put it in stuff I already experienced, and that what I will experience that as well because it has been in the past. Also through media is always telling us this is happening, you should follow this trend. And it's getting so much fear in us. It's getting so much fear in us. Also, there's so much, like also in the schools, like you have to be good, you have to follow a certain rule or something. That's not acknowledging our true purpose. It's not acknowledging our true roots. We are not meant to go in a box. When we think about it, when we feel into it, every day we are different. And we cannot be put in a box or in a label because it's so limiting. It's limiting our soul, it's limiting our existence. And that's why I'm sure a lot of you feel like, what is this world? Why I feel so small? Why I feel so unable to do stuff? Because it's a system that has held you small. It's constructed for this purpose, to get you distracted, to get us divided, to not go back to our origins and be in this movie of fighting against each other and yeah, trying to survive. We all deep down know that this is not our purpose here. We know that we are much more than this limiting ants that run away and run in this wheel. Aren't you sick of it? Aren't you sick of this cage that is not my cage? I am, and I'm willing to go out of it. So we as humans, we as beautiful beings, we have to work together again. We have to acknowledge again that we are wonderful, wonderful beings, and that we live on a planet that provides us with everything we have, everything. All the systems with food and all this stuff is not efficient. It's not made for the whole human race to prosper. It's made to hold us down. And it's important that we realize that. Because when we realize that, we can acknowledge that we are divine beings that are not meant to limit themselves. We're not meant to go with this normal caging stream. We are here to prosper. We are here to shine. We are here to make every being here able to live the best life it can live. And as I say this, you feel the power, you feel the truth in it. So while we go this autopilot of always being in the comfort zone, we have to go out of it. And I want to talk about community, how we can come back together. Because as I say, the current situation is everything but holding together, everything but unity and community. And there is so much potential in it when we work together with this, when the people with the same mindset, with the same goals work together in harmony. Oof. That's what they are afraid of. That's why all these fights are always perpetuated. And I want to encourage you to not always see the differences, because you can always see the differences. You can always see a problem in things, always, when you search for it. But I want to encourage you to look for what we have in common. What we have in common with our neighbors. What we have in common with our friends, or also with our not friends. What is our what unites us deep down? Not only with humans, with the animals, with the place we live in. Where is the connection point? I want you to search for it and feel it. Because in this connection, there's union. And there's no fight anymore. There's coming together, merging together in union. And there's nothing but beauty in it. There's nothing but growth and expansion in it. So go outside and look for what we have in common, where you see yourself in other things or other people. And I promise you, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Because then all of a sudden you see, like, oh my God, it's like I have everything in common. It's me. It's me. You see, it's we don't have to fight to have safety or something. We don't have to be in our small house to be someone who you want to be. So open your cage and be brave enough to go outside and connect. Open your heart for it. And when we open our heart and connect to what surrounds us, and connect to our roots again, to our heart, to our origin, there is so much ease in it. Everything flows. Everything is joy. There is in everything purpose. Because you are yourself. You are yourself because you connect to other people. And in this community, we can achieve things that we cannot imagine now. I don't know if you, for example, when you are with people together and they have the same vision like you, they have the same goals like you, I promise you that together you will have these goals, and you will go for these goals much more fast, and you learn so much with it. And now imagine a whole city with it. It's like an example when you are in a concert or a festival or something. There are so many people just having fun. They just enjoy life, you know. And I watched a video of Adele, where everyone is singing the same song, and I cried so many times about this, because it shows me what we can create when we hold together, when we want the same. And you see like the light coming out of the whole group. How amazing is that? So don't go with this isolation mainstream, and open yourself, and stop and look around you, because there's so much beauty in it, so much potential for a new world. And everyone, especially when you listen to this point, you're here for creating the new world. And for this we have to come together, we have to create communities. It's so important, guys. We have healthy food, we help each other. There are so many ways. And there's so much abundance in it, because we create so much together, that there's enough for everyone. So try to work together with your neighbors, try to help each other and give without expecting, and you see the world will change around you. I promise you. Thank you so much, especially when you listen to this point. I highly appreciate you. I'm super thankful that you are here, and you're here for a purpose. You're here for creating beauty on this planet and in yourself. So be brave enough. I support you. We all support each other. So let's step up. Let's stand up, and let's shine our light, because now's the time. Now's the time for us light beings to show ourselves and create the ground for a new earth, because now is the time. I love you.